Hi everyone, thank you for visiting my channel. I'm Natasha, my partner Jeremy, he's actually holding the camera, and we are traveling on the motorcycle pretty much everywhere. We live in Switzerland and here we have 1250 GS, and in American continent, we have 1300 GS. And currently we travel through Mexico. We've already been to Baja, and here's the link to the video if you're interested. Now we landed in Mazatlan and we going towards Mexico City. So hope you enjoyed the video. Let's go.
Where did we go? From Mazatlan. We landed early in the morning.
So we crossed with the ferry to Mazatlan.
Crossed the ferry to Mazatlan. Through the jungle. That was really interesting.
Yeah.
It was really nice.
Yeah. Signs on the road of all kind of animals you can imagine. Like
leopards, armadillos, coyotes, snakes.
Yeah, it was proper jungles all around.
Yeah. So that was really nice, coming from Baja, where it was just a week of deserts. Mountain deserts, flat deserts, used to be a lake deserts, all kinds of deserts and cactuses. And then into really lush jungle.
But we needed to change tires. We needed to make a bike serviced.
The bike needed to be serviced, and my road tires, my old road tires, were totally worn out. I should have changed it before we did the trip down Baja, but anyway, I was desperate to get down to Puerto Vallarta, the BMW dealer, to get new tires.
Because there's not many BMW dealers in Mexico. There's one in Mexico City, one in
Puerto Vallarta.
Yeah. Yeah,
there's a few of them around, but definitely none of them in Baja, and there was nowhere in Baja where I could have just even got tires that I needed. Baja is pretty desolate.
So we spent basically the whole day there in service. It took way longer than we expected.
Yeah.
But the guys were really nice.
Yeah.
The place were really nice, and they've done a good job. They washed the bike as well.
Yeah, they did a good job for us. They did a good job for us. So we ended up spending 2 nights in Puerto Vallarta for the hotel. Hey, you know what? We forgot one of the really interesting places that we visited. We forgot to talk about Tequila.
Oh yes, Jesus. Guess why we forgot? Yeah, so the places where Tequila came from originally, right?
Yeah, it's the Jose Cuerva, big kind of industrial town there. Yeah.
Yeah, really nice. So you can visit the
factory
and see how it works.
Yeah.
Also, you can drink tequila all over the city.
Yeah.
In any kind of cocktails you can imagine.
Yeah.
There's a nice church and a really cute, busy.
Yeah, nice little tourist town. Yeah, nice little tourist town. Tequila themed tourist town. It reminded me a little bit about being in, some of the Scottish malt whiskey towns like Oban or something like that. Not that it's anything like Oban, but it's themed around the drink. Yeah.
That was cool.
That was pretty cool.
Tequila.
Thank
you very much for watching till the end of the video. You know, I'm really new on YouTube, and of course I heard it's hard, but you know what? It's 10 times harder than you can imagine. And so I will be really grateful if you leave me a like, dislike, comment, subscribe, anything to help me to understand that I'm going to the right direction. So we keep going towards Mexico City, and we're going to spend there a couple of days. So see you in the next video. Take care.